Zulu Gang family, what's up? Dumelang sanibonani intombi yakwamkhize ukhabazela umavovo ugcobeka zihlandla. You know. If you know, you know. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if you are new, you are welcome. Please feel at home. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the notification button so that you can get a notification whenever I post my videos. And that's it. Today we are doing a Shein haul. Another day, another haul. I received my clothes like 3 weeks back. I've been so lazy, you guys. I don't even want to lie. Like, I've been so lazy. I've just been so lazy. Also, it's cold, so I just didn't have that energy. But today I thought to myself, you know what? Let me get my clothes. And we are going to view these clothes together and rate them. And I'm gonna tell you guys the codes also, how to get them on Shein, and then we're going to view them together. Okay, I only have like 3 outfits, so this is not gonna be long. Bear with me. Let's get it. So these are the outfits: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, I think it's 3 t-shirts, 2 pants. Very simple. So we are going to start. Let's get into it. So this is the first outfit. It's this t-shirt. See how big it is? Yes, it's this t-shirt. I think it's extra large, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, my plan is to wear this alone. And then I've got these pants, baggy pants, if you can see. And then yeah, they also have a thing in here, so if you want to tie them, you can also tie them down here. But I don't think I'll do that. Or I will, I don't know. But yeah, these are the pants. They are quite comfortable, hey? Silky material. And they are adjustable. They've got this thing, so adjustable to your size. If you are bigger than me, I think they will still fit you, which is great. I bought this on the plus size side of Shein, so, and they are extra large on the plus size, so you can imagine. And yeah, not mad. This is just a lousy thing. I'm going to the store to buy grocery or to buy bread, and I rock these pants. Simple. It's not pants. And yeah, that's just about it. And then on to the next one. And then second outfits, I've got these leggings. What size are they? They're also a medium, so it's a medium. And then I got this t-shirt, a black t-shirt in a small, written bigger heart. I'm lying. Big heart, bigger ass. If you know, you know, I beg. If you know, you know. And yeah, this is very comfortable. As you can see, it's shiny. You can wear this tights everywhere. Gym, you're good. Errands, you're good. Nightlife with your nice heel, with your nice top, you're good. So honey, run, and go and get this tights. This is so comfortable. And zithe nxasana umkhaba is gone. Uphi, I can't see it. Go. Ndifunana nomkhaba wami angisawuboni. And yeah, this is the second outfit. And on to the last outfits. Yeah, last outfit. And then here is the last outfit. These shorts, I also bought them on the plus size. I must just accept what it is, because I got this on the plus size side of the thingy, Shein, and they are, this is extra large, I think. And then they got like this elastic thingy at the back, which is great, so that if you're bigger or whatever. And then yeah, and then it's this t-shirt. This t-shirt is large. Yeah, it's large, but on the sexy side of things. So yeah, this is my outfit. I love it. I love these jeans. Now I know, because I used to struggle when buying Shein jeans. They never used to fit me. So now I know that I need to go to the plus size side. Now I know my size when it comes to jeans. And yeah, that's just about it. This is my haul. Where's my drink? Where's my drink? Anyway, guys, I don't know what day is it today. I don't know what day is it. My name anyway, and yeah guys, that is all with my card. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope you got an idea just in case you are looking into the street fashion side. And I'm going to be styling these outfits on my Instagram. I am going to put in my Instagram handle in the description button so that you can see how I styled these outfits. And that's it. Thank you so much. Do not forget to like this video, and if you are new, please do not forget to subscribe, like, share, and sibe nomndeni. That is up from me. Thank you so much, guys. Bye bye.